All right, Bill with Patio Kits Direct. Today we are at our showroom, our office. We're going to go through this and kind of meet some of our team members. Super excited for you to actually put a face to the voice that you hear over the phone every day. So come on in, let's meet some of the team. All right, so first up we have Miss Rosa. Hi, Miss Rosa, how you doing?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
Hi, I'm Rosa with Patio Kits Direct. I'm the customer service executive. If you call into the company and you have any questions or needs, I'd be more than happy to help you.
So she'll reach out to you after you've purchased the kit to make sure that you get your patio cover in the most efficient time and make any claims if it's necessary. So thank you, Rosa, appreciate it. Over here is Sean. How you doing, Sean?
Good, how are you?
Good, good, good. What do you do for us, Sean?
My name's Sean. I do build support, engineering, and quality control. So if there's anything you need in regards to your build questions, give me a call.
Sean has been in this industry for what, 10 plus years?
Yes.
Yeah, so awesome job of like the 30 kits a week that go out. He supports those customers on site. They send him text messages, call him over the phone. Any build problems that they have, he'll take care of it. Also with his engineering background, with like engineering the kits to make sure he gets through the city. Such an efficient job. Let's move on in. So this is Katie. Say hi, Katie.
Hi, I'm Katie. I am a lead design rep with the company. I help out customers with their quotes and designing their patio covers.
How long you been with us, Katie? Too long?
7 years.
7 years. So Katie's one of our lead designers here in the company. She helps train some of our other new staff members on the designs of the patio covers, takes those questions from the customers all day on custom designs. So she's one of the higher leads in the company when it comes to designing those patio covers. Anything else you'd like to add, Katie?
I love my job.
Perfect.
I really do love my job.
Hey, so did you hear Katie in the other room? She was like, I love my job. She's so full of it. One of our newer members, Mickey Bill. Say hi, Mickey.
Hey. Hi, my name is Mickey with Patio Kits Direct. I'm a design rep and I assist customers with their design and anything else that they need.
Anything else you'd like to add to that?
I've been here now 10 months tomorrow and I've loved every moment of it, and you guys have been changing and growing and it's awesome to be a part of it. Everyone here really does love their job.
We have maps up here, so it's fun. Like everywhere that we ship to, we put a nice little pin for every new state that we kind of get into. So that's a fun little board inside. You'll meet some other team members. We have a couple people that work remotely in Florida and Carolina, South Carolina. And lastly, one of the most important people in our organization is Mandy. Hi, Mandy.
Hi, I'm Mandy, and I am the Director of Finance and Operations here at PKD, and I help move the patio covers through the manufacturing process and get them delivered to you.
So how long you been with us, roughly?
A little over 5 years.
5 years. Time flies like that. So anything else you would like to add?
It's a great company, great people.
She was not paid to say that, by the way.
Everybody's saying they love their job. Me too.
So I guess everybody loves their job here.
So we thank you guys so much for kind of viewing some of the team members. A couple drivers missing as well, but we definitely appreciate you guys spending some time with us, learning some of our team members. You guys can't stay here. You don't have to go home, but you gotta go. So thanks for visiting.